In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do numbering in Google Vids effectively. Google Vids, part of Google's Workspace, is a tool many of us use for creating and editing video documents. Its flexibility and integration with Google Drive make it a go-to solution for video documentation. But often we find ourselves stuck on formatting issues, like how to apply numbering to make our content more structured and easier to navigate. Today that changes. Let's dive straight into how you can efficiently apply numbering to your text in Google Vids. First things first, you need to access Google Vids. Open your preferred web browser, and in the address bar type in the Google Vids website URL, or simply search for Google Vids in your search engine. This will take you to the official page of Google Vids. Once you're there, you'll notice the user interface is clean and straightforward, easing your navigation through the site. Next, click on the Sign In button. It's essential to sign into your Google account to access and make changes to your Google Vids documents. If you're already logged into your account on another Google service, you might not need to log in again. But if not, this step ensures that all changes are saved and synced with your account. Choose your Google account from the list provided if you're operating more than one. In case you're newly engaging with Google services, you might have to log in by entering your email and password. Ensure you're logging in with the account where your desired Google Vids document is saved, or where you intend to create a new one. Once you've successfully signed in and navigated to your Google Vids environment, find and open the document you want to work on. If you're planning to start a new document, simply create one and proceed with the next steps. Highlight the text within your document that you want to number. This can be a list of items, steps, or any content that needs to be organized in a numbered format. Click and drag your mouse over the text, ensuring each part you want to be numbered is highlighted. After your desired text is highlighted, it's time to navigate to the Format menu located at the top of your document window. This menu is where all your formatting tools are housed, including the one we're focusing on today. Within the Format menu, look for the Bullets and Numbering option. This is where Google Vids offers various ways to structure your document content, including bulleted lists, numbered lists, and more. Click on Bullets and Numbering to unfold the options available for organizing your text. Now, to specifically apply numbering, click on the Numbered List menu. This action will reveal different styles of numbering you can apply to your text. Google Vids offers a variety of formatting styles depending on the type of document you're creating or your personal preference. Lastly, choose your numbering type from the drop-down list. Google Vids allows for traditional numbering 1, 2, 3, Roman numerals Y, 3, and alphabetic A, B, C. Select the style that best fits your document's needs. Once selected, the formatting will be applied immediately to the highlighted text, structuring it in the chosen numbered format. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward way to apply numbering to your text in Google Vids. Remember, properly numbered text can significantly enhance the readability and navigation of your document, especially when dealing with lengthy or complex content. Take advantage of the flexibility Google Vids offers and experiment with different numbering styles to find what best suits your material. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher and explore more formatting options to elevate your Google Vids documents. As always, practice makes perfect. So, dive in, start numbering, and see how it transforms your documents. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Google Vids experience.